Okay, friends, my family decided they wanted some pumpkin bread. So I'm going to make some, and I thought, you know what? I'll do a video. I'll show you how I make it. It is real easy. So first off, you're going to get one 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree. Or you can do your own. But I'm just going to use this. It's real easy. I found this in the pantry. Okay, we've got that. And into that we're going to add 4 eggs. We're going to also add 1 cup of oil. And 2/3 cup of water. We're just going to mix that with my electric mixer here. Let me slide this stuff over. This stuff turns out wonderful. Okay. Just get that mixed in real nice. Okay, so with that, we're going to use that again, so I'm going to lean that over my sink here. Okay, and then to that I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to add 3.5 cups of flour. Cup here. There we go. I'm also going to add, let's see, I'll do my other first here. Stay on track. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm also, which a lot of recipes don't call for, but I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. And I'm also going to add, instead of all the cloves and the cinnamon and the allspice, I'm just going to simply add a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Works perfect. Okay, now we will mix this around a little bit before we put the beaters to it, so it doesn't make a big mess. And this makes 2 real nice larger size loaves, and the family will love it. Okay. Okay, so mix that out. This is so loud. I'm going to finish mixing this and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and now that I've got that all mixed up, some people can put nuts or chocolate chips, but my family just likes nuts, so I grind up some walnuts. And I'm just going to mix them in there by hand here, just so they're incorporated nicely. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to stir my pans. I got 2 real nice size loaf pans. And I'm just going to put these in here. Divide them in two. Now you can do these small loaves, your little small loaves, or you can do the two or any size you want. I just use these two bigger ones. That's what we like. Okay, and you don't want to waste any of this or leave any behind. There's no grandchildren to lick my bowls. They always want the beaters in the bowl and the spatula. I love them. They're going to love this. This will be their after-school treat. Okay, I think we've got all that real good. Okay, so there's that. We've got our oven. I can't put them in there yet because it's preheating to 350. But when it's all set and the timer, or not the timer, but my buzzer goes off that it's preheated up to temp, I'm going to put these in there and bake them for about 50 minutes. Or until a toothpick, comes out dry. So, as soon as they're done baking, I'll be back and I'll show you. And there they are, friends. 2 beautiful loaves of pumpkin walnut bread. So, I am just going to let them sit on that cooling rack right there and finish cooling. And then I'm going to sample a piece. So there you have it. It's very easy to make. So, thanks for watching.